Hi, welcome back to My World 67. This is G-Man, and just got a quick unboxing. Well, I've already started unboxing and opened it, and first thing on the top was this engine, and this is going to be a William Crooks set that I had purchased here a couple of weeks ago. Just got it in the mail. I think it was Saturday. Haven't had time to do a video, so I thought I'd go ahead and do a quick video on it. Now, this got here and it was damaged, as you can see. This damage, the corner broken off, the rust was all visible in the picture. This being broken, but this was not broken in the picture, and neither was the fact that in all actuality this engine looks like it may have been submerged in water for a little while, and the motor was a lot tighter than it is now. I've been working with it when I first took it out of the box. But the stack was broke off. You can see the rust on those, and a little more than poor storage. But anyway, it came as is. I bought it as is. It's actually a double set, but only with one engine. I just wanted to share the condition of that with you. Let me set it over here. Now, I contacted the guy because overall the whole set was a little less than what he depicted it to be. And I contacted him, and he was very, very congenial about it, very nice about it.